Good day guys, in this video I will show you how to deploy on Replit. So if your project is already done and complete, you can just go ahead and publish it. So previously we've had a button deploy, but now it's replaced with a publish button. Also, if I go ahead and search for deploy, as you can see, it's now called publishing. Previously a deployment, they just renamed the button. So you pretty much do your code, right? For example, I just did a simple print command and also ran it and tested it. And when you're ready to deploy your code and your project, you just press on publish. And now, as you can see, you will be given your primary URL at which your projects will be available. And then you just press on publish once again. All right, and now as you can see, it's going through its steps. It's going to build, bundle, and let us wait a bit. And pretty much when it's done doing its thing, when it's going through all of these provision, scans, and building and bundling, you will get, of course, that link available publicly. You can share it and let other people run the code or do with it whatever you wish. That's it, guys. Just press on the publish button and you're ready. If this video helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.